keep on pushing my buttons, you do. It's true. Now I'm somebody you don't.
Damn! Oh, sorry. Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of XO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. All right, well, KATSEYE just dropped Gameboy. They dropped their whole album, no? Let me double check. Hold up. They dropped Beautiful Chaos. Oh, it's not an album. It's a single. Gnarly clean edit. Like, what does a clean edit mean? Gameboy, Mean Girls, and MIA. Oh, so Gameboy, Mean Girls, MIA. Beautiful Chaos. So it's a single album just came out. But we're about to check this out. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitch, Patreon. Go check out the Patreon if you haven't already. We just checked out K-Pop Demon Hunters. It's fire. And we've been following up with World Street One Fighter, which is a mess. Y'all. All right, y'all. KATSEYE, Gameboy. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. KATSEYE, Gameboy. Let's go. Oh. Wait. Oh. What the hell is this? What is this? Wait. What is this cat? Wait. Hold up. We gotta figure this out. The subtitles are damn. They got Chinese, Filipino, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, and Spanish. They don't got English though, but it's okay. It's all in English. Anyways, let's go. Wait. What? So Lara is handling the phone, playing this game. Okay, and then rock, paper, scissors. Seems like money. You love the drama. It's karma, girl. You're the one that's only calling. You can blame me, but I ain't the problem. Okay. You keep on pushing my buttons, you do. Danny is serving. With me, you leveled up, yeah, it's true. Now I'm somebody you don't. Damn! I'm sorry.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
You're just a
okay, hold up. She ain't thinking about you, dummy. I'm sorry. Hey, Sophia. Are those Care Bears on her? Never mind. You Jay. That's cute. Oh. She ain't thinking about you. Oh. She is always serving though. Lara. What you doing? Manon. Yes, you is.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
I'm sorry. They all fine. Wait, I just realized that Lara is not in the choreo section, so she's literally handling, holding the phone. With me, you leveled up, yeah, it's true. No, I'm so distracted by the Care Bear on Sophia. Like I'm trying to. Oh, little Game Boy, like or video game sounds. Then I guess Megan just pops up. Woo! This is dope. About you. Just a little. Ooh, okay. Uy, Philippines. Now I'm curious about the whole like album itself. Laura, give me them vocals. She's the one playing the game, seem like. Oh, tell your friends that I love the drama. I mean TST. Wait, she said play pretend, but you know it's karma. Play pretend, but you know it's karma. You're the one that's only calling. Blaming me, but I ain't the problem. Oh, you're just a cute. Okay, Megan, about you. about you. About you. Is that it? The outfits are interesting. About you. So is this like the title track of the whole album, like single album? No, right? It's still like a B-side, I think. And then she wins this time. In the beginning, she lost. Wait, so this time Laura wasn't a part of like the choreo, right? Part of the choreo. Game over, Game Boy. Wait, really? Yeah, the whole time, right? Or am I tripping? She got paper, they're all scissors. Okay, attention to detail. Girl, she serves looks. My God.
But you know it's common. You're the one that's only calling. You can blame me, but I ain't the problem.
Bro, they're just all stars. They're all stars, bro.
Ooh, you keep on pushing
Serving, Danny.
my buttons to do. With me, you leveled up, yeah, it's true. Now I'm somebody
I do like
you
the
don't wanna lose.
that Laura has like in control. She's in control, like playing the game itself.
You're just a playboy.
Megan always got those facials, bro.
I ain't thinking about
Yunche is just amazing. She's cute,
about you. Love you
talented as hell. They're all talented.
I should throw it
And then Sophia, come on.
I ain't thinking about you. Ooh, you're just a playboy. I ain't trying to playboy. I
This is cute. This is cute. Wait, but at the end,
ain't thinking about you. Ooh, difference that
was Laura injured? Is that why she didn't do the dance too,
love the
or
drama.
was this just oh, and then she finally wins. She's like, she's done. Oh, she had a leg injury, but still part of his part. I can't talk. That's what are English? What is English? Oh, happy birthday to Manan. Yeah, I'm glad that she was incorporated in the MV. So she had a leg injury. I see. Cause I was missing her. I was missing her in the choreo. All right, I'm gonna go check out the music, like the rest of the stuff. What do you call it? The singles, because I'm curious, and I'll probably post that on my Patreon for free. So be sure to check out the Patreon. We'll check it out. Subscribe, but I'm gonna post my reaction for free over there. Link in the description down below. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think of KATSEYE, what you think about Gameboy, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of XO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.